it on TikTok live when they ask you where you going. Like, I'm not gonna give you my location.
No, but oh, can you see that?
No. I'm just saying I'm not gonna like
Jen.
tell strangers on live where I'm going tonight.
No, real. You just
South Africa.
hey man. You just say like dinner, maybe a party,
party,
like.
I was asking them on live earlier, can I change my profile picture? I was asking them on live earlier, can I change my profile picture back?
Oh, no, real, but can I though?
Yeah, like, can I?
May I, guys?
May
we?
Yeah, I'm Sushi, guys.
I'm here with Cece.
Oh, already?
Oh?
Already restricted. Oh, you guys are so pretty. Yeah, change it. I'll also change it now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so, guys.
I just think we're gonna change it next year. Sure, guys, we're gonna spend New Year's, Christmas with the profile pictures. I thought we got what we wanted.
Oh my gosh, this is getting me so in the mood. Like, what?
Vibes are up, boy. Oh,
calling for Maria. Lost without Maria.
they're asking for your ad. It's at Alexandra Wade
Underscore.
underscore.
Baby, just wait. Can they see me, or should we put in the middle?
F, we can do that.
What's the lighting difference?
No, it's the same.
Just me. I don't know. Just me, baby, just me. Yeah, let me move.
Yeah, maybe we should come closer to one another. F.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's actually
Okay,
perfect.
That's amazing.
It's actually perfect. Should we move closer to me by the sun? Are you fine?
Oh yeah. Is the sun cooking you though? It's not. It's fine.
Like cooking me to. Oopsie, to ask us.
Can you so like nice and thick? Hey, like wow.
I'm nice and thick.
Like you know, every time I'm like, when did like all of this like happen? Like I feel like it happens so quickly.
Really?
It's like you, like I was so used to you being like my petite cousin, you know, and not like you are.
I'm thick. Oh my god, bitch.
You are thick. Bitch.
I didn't even know. I thought I was always like kind of thick.
Hey, Bomba.
No, I love that.
Hey.
Y'all are so pretty. What the hell? Thank you.
Thank you.
Just what I needed. I love when I find a live like that. When I'm like chilling in bed and I find someone's live that's like
Entertaining,
nice to watch.
nah. Yo, if my followers see this, they'll be so angry because they keep asking me for a tutorial and I keep saying yes, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. But then I go live like doing my makeup, but I don't.
It's just way easier.
Like I wish I could say tune in my lives for makeup tutorial. I'm actually gonna start doing that.
Like just start doing it.
Because recording and editing,
yo, it's so much, and then the footage is like 2 hours long. And
yo,
you're like, oh my god. I knew y'all were from South Africa.
How the hell you know that?
How you know that? How you know that? We from the States.
How the hell you know there? And lips don't fun, and hips don't lie, girl. I just wanna see what the booty do. I wanna see what that booty do.
For real.
Take advantage of time.
Guys, ask us interesting questions.
You know, my next life, I really want to be a boy, but like a hot boy that can sing,
Like
a Justin Bieber. Like I better be like the full package type shit. Like if I were to ever be a boy, I'm either the full package or I'm shacking myself.
Oh yeah,
like as a boy you cannot be a loser. Like
no,
do you understand how hard it is? Do you not
it's
understand?
So hard to be a boy.
Dude, it's so hard. I won't lie. I actually feel bad for men sometimes.
Yeah, I same
like,
often actually.
Yeah, like the bar is so high for y'all niggas. Like
I think my problems are bad, but I don't want my problems to be paying for
bottles, your financial battles. Like as a woman, you can still be struggling. Like
that's where you got your bracelets, baby.
Who, me?
Yeah.
So this I got from Mo Piercings. It's like those like permanent bracelets. This is from Kate Spade. That is also, the bottom one is from Kate Spade too. And the middle one is from Soul Gallery in Santon.
Amen.
Amen. That's what you call a stack.
Actually, to rebuild my stack.
No, I actually like want a Cartier bracelet now. I want a love bracelet.
Oh, real?
Whoever buys it for me knows I know you love me for the rest of your life.
Yo, Sana. I was wearing my boyfriend's for a while and he finally wanted it back. Take it, bitch.
Oh, fair enough.
They're sending a warning about substances. What substances? Oh, the vape.
Oh,
really? We're not even smoking it. Dude, where's this young thug, bro? They must send him back to jail. Maybe when he comes out.
Yo, babe, I think he need to go back to jail. He wasn't focused when he was in jail.
No, dude. Look at Ghana.
They turned their lives around. That's what you should have been doing.
Jail did not rehabilitate him at all.
No, at all. It just made him fat and like took a lot. Like,
yeah. He just gossiped.
No, he just gossiped and came out of jail and was like saying like niggas aren't his real niggas no more. And I was like, okay.
Like, okay, buddy.
Shit, change your life around.
Like, he was in here gossiping about niggas, bro. So I have a pimple on my eyelid. What a odd place to get it.
That is actually quite odd.
I actually don't think it's a pimple. I think it's that fucking stupid rash.
Oh.
Johannes Goldberg, I figured just wanted to avoid her getting banned. Okay. How many tattoos do you have? I have 3.
Same.
Really? Oh. Twin.
Actually, same. Because one. Yeah, same.
That's twin.
But I actually want to get like more. Yeah. I want to get like one, like, you know, honestly, I'd wake up tomorrow and get another one.
No, same.
Really?
Yes. I was thinking about it. I wanted to do it today. I just don't have the budget.
Oh, real?
Thinking maybe next week.
What are you thinking?
I want something on my foot.
Oh?
Like on my...
You know what I want? I want like something like on my hand, like here or like here.
Oh, cute.
You know? And then I also want something on like my bikini line. So like when I wear bikini,
it shows.
I'm
also gonna get something down here.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay, you see, that's so cute for you.
Like, I want to compliment this tattoo here.
Nah. Oh yeah, that's so real. Yeah. No, that's so real. That's so real. To me, you're such a rock star. Like, I want to know, like, when did you become a rock star? Like,
it's always been my music taste here, no cap.
But that's what I'm saying. Like,
no, Av.
No, but you also remember you used to like also take on a lot of like your sister's music taste, like Beyonce. You know what I'm saying? Like Rita's music taste, top T, like top. Actually, Rita's music taste raised me.
No, real. It raised all of us. To me, it raised all of us.
Because literally, she was the one picking the music. As the older sister, yeah, we were just as the one in charge. She's the one picking the music.
Valid too.
But that's what I'm saying. How did you come across being a rock star when your sister is so like soulful and R&B? Because Rita is soulful.
Yeah,
she's so soulful and R&B.
So I obviously heard that music, but I just wasn't fulfilled. It was nice, but I was like, what else is there? And then I really liked rap music, and then I discovered trap, and I was like, this is me. Those are like my most listened to genres, R&B and trap. Yourself?
I wouldn't say trap.
Which
per se. I like rap.
Okay, real.
I love Drake.
Okay, real.
I love Drake. I like artists.
Okay.
Drake, Kanye, you know, that's my shit right there. You know what I'm saying? That's my shit. But I do have like some like trap songs that I like.
Rappers, yeah.
Yes, I don't think I have like genres. Okay. Because you can find me like grooving to Mfana Touchline.
Okay,
and
real, same.
And I'm going crazy.
Same. Like I like what I hear.
Who's that other one? Cooper. I don't know what genre that is, but some of the songs are too mad. You know what I'm saying?
Right?
You
That's
just
like the new age trap underground.
actually,
Fana Touchline is in a lane of his own.
and I
don't
love
even
it.
know
I respect
what
him so
we
much.
would call him, like what genre he's in.
No, I respect that music so much. Like it's so like 2000s rich mom, Joburg rich mom, Pretoria rich mom. Like you know, Bayam Groovong, Baperi all white. Now they make Mana champagne. Oh my God, red lipstick it down.
Nah.
Like that's what Mfana Touchline gives. It's giving Rick Ross, but like black music, like Rick Ross. Like,
Africanized. Nah, he ate it up. Mfana Touchline is in the lane of his own.
shit.
Okay.
I'm saying I should have bought wipes.
I have.
No, but I don't need them now. I was just thinking for like later.
For later.
I forgot. I'm gonna have to like or do the whole face wash from the beginning.
But maybe you can wipe your face.
Yeah.
Here. I honestly thought you were gonna sleep over.
No, but I can though.
Real. We'll see how we feel at the end of the night.
Yeah.
I'm so down.
Okay. Because I did bring like just for in case. You know, I always bring for in case with you, depending on our mood.
How
like,
we feeling?
You know, like if you want your man back, I respect that
Mama,
type
I
shit.
think I want you to stay.
Oh. Valid. Valid. No valid. No, actually, like you know, valid.
No valid.
No valid. Because it gets still depend. You know when someone brings their panty, they're ready for sleepover because I have a panty for tomorrow. Like I have a panty for tomorrow. Don't worry. I have a panty for tomorrow.
Okay, no F. No F.
I'll just like get ready here for my shoot tomorrow.
Yeah, real.
Yeah. Even if you're not doing anything, we can even maybe do something tomorrow.
F. Where are you shooting? Oh yeah, don't tell them actually. Oh, okay.
Right. You're the kidnap, are you?
Babe, trying to get wife,
I used to love this music, but I feel like I was in a dark time though.
Really?
I was definitely in a dark time when I loved this song. Like these type of songs.
Different era.
Yeah. Is he still in jail? Is this TK?
Yep. It's gonna be there forever.
Oh damn.
Scary and old now.
Oh my gosh, you know, and I used to think TK was so cute in high school.
He was cute.
Nah. I should have known that's when I liked that. No, I'm kidding. It's not funny. It's not funny on the internet anymore. Yo, it's not funny. Like, yo, it's not. Yo, it's
no
not.
No one can kiki on the internet.
No. Actually, fuck. Nothing is funny. Yo. They're gonna record me. They're gonna screen record me. Like Alex said, she likes
bad boys,
gangsters. No, guys, I don't like gangsters. Like, can you just see? Like, I'm such a flower.
Like,
I'm too soft for that. Like, they're gonna kill me.
Come on.
I actually want a long life.
Yeah.
Like, I actually want a long life.
Cody Promethazine.
Show me, have you tried like underpainting?
Yeah, I tried it once, but I don't think I did a good job.
Oh.
How was it for you? Do you enjoy it?
I enjoy it because it allows me to use less makeup. The only time I go over it is maybe like when I'm just defining like the contour or the blush. Yeah.
I'm gonna try it. But you know what, dude? I stopped playing with makeup. I think that was my fault.
I get that. Same.
That was my fault.
No, same. I actually don't even I don't even watch like tutorials anymore. No. How to fix your base and whatever. Like
I only do my makeup when I'm going out.
No, seriously.
And it's like I must do my makeup just to hang on the couch.
No, genuinely, we must do that. We must actually like dedicate time to like make like TikToks, get ready with me.
Yeah, because then doing a good ready with me and I'm actually going out is so much work.
Actually, and there's so much pressure also.
Yo.
Because now people are actually gonna see me outside.
Yes, like it's not just about
it's
video.
It's actually not about the video. Actually, I have to look perfect even off camera.
Yes.
Real life makeup, like.
How did we get thingied for substances for drinking the alcohol?
No, Chamina, I always drink to the side. They must wait a 10 minutes.
Can't believe it.
Even my little vape, I drink to the side.
Little vape, I'm gonna get a pen for vacation with the fam.
Oh, that's so real. That's a real. Remember that time we bought so much weed when we were in Cape Town?
Oh my god, I can't believe we did that.
No, like we were crazy. It was it was so crazy. We even walked there.
Oh no, we're actually bugging. Oh, my mom was busy telling me, she was like, and I knew it that you were gonna smoke. My mom.
When?
The other time when we went out from Cape Town.
Oh.
And I was like, Mom.
How did she catch us again?
She didn't even catch us, bro. She was just saying that. I was like, bro. She was telling me like, oh, if you weren't, you wouldn't have come back late at night. And I was like, babes, what made me irresponsible was the fact that I was drinking.
No,
trust me, it's not even the greens.
No, the greens keep you still wakker voor.
Wakker voor. You wanna go home?
Alcohol, guys. Because when you hide, sometimes you get like really tired and you're like, Chomino, let's call it a night.
Yes.
I feel like it still gives you that like, hey man, like chill. Like
chill.
you got things to do. But alcohol, you'll think the night is still young. Ka 5.
Makes you want vibes.
Ka 5
5 a.m.
Ka 5 a.m.
You want next location at 5 a.m.
Oh, is this yours? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, sorry, Joel.
We have the same. That's why. That's why.
So now, I use it for contour because I don't know what possessed me to buy such a dark shade.
Show me app because I was about to be like,
dysmorphia.
you must use you above my shade.
Yes. No, I have dysmorphia, friend, and I bought that, but I bought it a while ago. I have dysmorphia.
Please don't kill me. I have dysmorphia.
No, because why do I think I'm that dark?
No, actually, like, yeah, no. You're actually.
I looked at this shade and was like, yeah,
this is my color.
Yeah,
this will my girl. You are the most yellow bone thing. It's giving the UK white girls when they do like
the dark
yes,
makeup. No,
yes.
fully, that's what it was giving. Where you guys going? We're going for dinner.
Like real classy girls.
Like real classy girls. But the other day when I went to that award show, I did my makeup with.
Yeah, that makeup looked tea. It didn't have flashback. It didn't have.
Thank
nothing.
you.
I saw when Jinx put. That's why I even reposted that picture. I said,
Too
"Bitch, with your award, it's giving smart and pretty."
Pamba. I didn't do lashes the whole way. I did like mascara and then only did at the end.
Nah?
And I was like,
That's what I've been doing when I was lazy. You see that day of our photo shoot with Jay?
It looked so
That's
cute.
exactly
That's
what
actually what made me want to do it. I was like, it looks so cute on you.
Thank you. Now I didn't, but you see, during the week, because I don't wear a lot of makeup, I
like
do
the
individual
full
lashes
okay,
because
real.
then I only do my eyebrows.
Real.
You know, because obviously I don't have eyebrows.
Yeah.
So I do my eyebrows and then I have full lashes and my skin is clean and I look like good. So for during the week I love it, but now you see now they've fallen out. I don't know if I should rip them out, but this side is still full. Maybe I should just add on this side.
I think just add, friend.
Nah.
Yeah.
Because ripping them out, this is so crazy.
And I don't think you need to. They still look fine. You can just add on. When I'm on live, I have to remember not to gossip.
No, I get that. No, in a live, you actually have to watch your tongue.
You have to watch your tongue.
Yo.
Especially because we've been like chatting all day.
Yes, we've been so freely gossiping.
Yeah, it's like now. You guys are stunning. Thanks, guys. Just
Thank
wait
you.
until our makeup is finished. I'm going to be shocked. Where did I put that white bag?
Fulu posted something so much like, I mean something so funny today. He was like, "Nebo Big Mama kaofela." Oh, well, like I said, people Big Mama kaofela. Choose one. I died. Are bana nebo Big Mama kaofela. Choose one. I died. I said this nigga actually sucks.
He actually sucks.
Are like I said, people Big Mama kaofela. Are what?
You have to pick and choose, ladies.
Yes, who is Big Mama?
Pick one.
Like it's again. I said it's me. I could pick up a mom, but last time I checked in that Big Mom.
Told him, bitch, meet me at the top.
Bitch, you got lost.
I'm
gonna agree.
That what you say.
Say yourself to the mess.
Shidorama and Kasa Amele.
Let's into the bank. Imaginary smoke.
Big Mama.
Imaginary smoke. I hate bitches with imaginary smoke because who the fuck are you fighting with? What did JT say? Beefing with who, bitch?
Not you. That's exactly
Not
what
you.
saying.
Not you.
Like that line goes over people's heads, but like she was really spitting. Like she was asking, like beefing with
who,
bitch?
Who, bitch?
Not
you.
Like it can't be.
No, it really can't be. It cannot be you that I'm beefing with. Like, look in the mirror, ask yourself, like, do you really think that I'm beefing with you?
Do you really think that I'm beefing with you?
He is pretty close.
Let me pop it up, pour me to the biggest slug, baby girl, come top it up. She said she won't like me cause she love me good, knock it off. That bitch makes some pages just to sub me, but I block them off. All these hoes is made.
This other person on TikTok was saying that when girls do like really light under eye and bring it down all the way to their chin,
yeah,
that's our version of like aunties that don't wear the right foundation shade.
Oh, that's so hectic.
And it made me rethink the bright under eye look completely.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that shit had me on the flu.
But I feel like there's a way to do a brighten on the
Yeah.
eye. You know what I'm saying? I feel like there's a way. Like you
Well, there
can't
is.
like you can't just or you can't just get brighten on the eye.
And there's also like limits. Like you can't be like you can't be doing bright under eye and like the bright under eye you're doing is like 7 shades lighter than your skin tone.
Yes.
Like, that makes no sense.
Yes.
Like I saw the other day I was watching Anokia's Vogue
Yeah.
beauty thing and she does a light under eye, but her light under eye
Eats.
and it's like not white.
Yeah.
It's not white, like just have to find your shade. I'm looking for powder puff.
When they move up, we got your back. Even when things don't go quite as planned.
Guys, let's ask us questions.
Oh my gosh, I hate my makeup. What is happening?
What's happening?
I feel like it's like no. Okay.
What, like the texture?
Yeah. Oh my god. Why is it doing that?
Friend, it's not bad at all. I think you're okay. Also, that blurring powder you have. What is it? The powder? Friend, I actually don't know what you're showing me here. Rather do a story time. Are you guys friends? No, guys, we're cousins. I've known her since my life began. I'm gonna give you a moment.
No, you can put it there. No, I actually don't give a
You
fuck.
okay?
Yeah, no. No, I never shy with people on the internet. I don't even
Real.
You know, like
What is one thing you both love about each other? Oh my god, that's such a nice question.
oh my gosh. I love the fact that like Dimple is like so like put together. Like
Aw.
she's so put together and so organized.
Stop.
Like you are just so grounded in who you are.
Oh,
like I
my
love that about you.
love. Thank
Actually,
you.
like you're so like no bullshit, but like in a very
Calm, way.
yes, I love that about you. Like
Thank you.
you be knowing your shit, girl. Like
Thank you. Okay, my favorite thing about you is you're just very ladylike. You're like a woman. Like you're very like you make me want to be more of a woman and like pour more. You like make me want to pour more into like my womanhood and like being a lady and being clean and modest and classy. Like every time I'm with you, I'm just reminded of like, okay, you need to be a better woman.
No, thank you.
No, seriously.
No,
No,
thank
seriously. No, seriously. I'm not even playing.
Okay, but for real, where is mine? Maybe I need something more hydrating.
John, rose water. This is rose water.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Post it out, my dog, so you do. One time I used this powder and it was too white.
Where's the
This
oh?
Fenty powder. So I mix a bit of this bit of Fenty. It's a bit darker. Yo, Playboy Cardi's such a bad guy.
Oh, like a bad father and stuff.
Yeah, and like he beats women.
Oh.
He beats his pregnant girlfriend into a miscarriage one time.
Oh.
Yeah, how dark.
Oh. You see what I don't do with these little rock stars?
No, the rock stars are scary. Be scared.
No, be scared for real.
Answers? Did they answer you? What was the question? Sorry. Oh shit. I was trying to get a proper.
Nah.
Let me use the sugar thing.
Oh.
Cause it's heavier.
Nah.
What was the question, guys? Y'all friends? No, we're not friends. We're cousins.
Oh, definitely. Okay, it's fixed.
Yeah, you
I needed something more.
moisture.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely needed something more hydrating because shit. I bet you was worried.
Yeah, I saw you panicking.
I said, oh my god, this gave me a bananas at me right now.
No.
At quarter to.
Oh my god. No, 6. I did it for 6:30.
Yeah, but I'm saying, look at the time.
Yeah, I also didn't see the time. I'm
Show
shocked.
me, oh my god.
No,
What
time
the?
moves so fast. Oh my god. Actually
I didn't
sucks.
actually expect that.
Time moves so fast. Oh my god.
But luckily, Aduna is like such a quiet restaurant. People don't even get that thing for.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's hidden. I love the hidden restaurants.
Mm.
Especially the ones in the hotels. They tend to be hidden because I don't think people booking they really want to really see.